Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll be exploring the unstoppable power of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, combining unparalleled performance with unbeatable durability to power you all day long for all new ways to play. Sound good? Come on, let's go see it in action.
Get that guy right there.
This is so cool.
Hey there, you finding everything okay?
Hey, we need something that's fast and powerful.
And great for gaming would be a plus.
Well, you found it. S25 Ultra is Galaxy's most advanced performance ever, thanks to the most powerful Snapdragon processor customized for Galaxy.
Customized.
That's right. Take a look. The Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. It's Galaxy's first 3nm AP in a smartphone, setting a whole new standard for speed and efficiency.
Cool. So, what can it do?
Well, for starters, it's the engine behind Galaxy AI. Ultra's NPU is now 40% more powerful than before, letting it run advanced AI right on the device. Plus, a revolutionary CPU and GPU give you faster apps, improved battery life, and smoother graphics. You can bounce back and forth between tasks and get back in the game faster than ever.
Now I'm listening.
The whole S25 series is powered by Vulkan optimization. It minimizes CPU and GPU load for steady performance during the most intense battles.
Awesome. Because, he's good, but he can get better.
Yeah, good one.
Well, with all the power in your hands, you can go further on every quest. And the new AP powers ultra-fast clock speeds, boosted specifically for Galaxy.
Hey, he does the tech talk. You want to break that down for me?
Right. Just think ultra-smooth gaming, faster apps, and breathtaking visuals. Have a look.
He's right. These graphics are crazy.
You're seeing the enhanced ray tracing in action. It's improved by 40%, giving you lifelike lighting, stunning shadows, and realistic reflections.
Okay, can we pause for a sec? What if I'm on a hot streak? How long can the S25 stay cool under pressure?
Yeah, how's the heat management?
Great question. Galaxy S25 has a revolutionary cooling system that helps you level up without heating up. At its core, the vapor chamber is 40% larger than before. That's paired with a tailored TIM, or thermal interface material, that helps disperse heat faster, so it takes heat management to another level.
So cool.
Literally.
There's a lot happening beneath the surface. And above the surface, it's even better. Check out that display. S25 uses a built-in ProScaler to make everything on your screen look true to life. It uses image enhancement algorithms to increase the quality by up to 40% for all your content, not just gaming.
I can't believe how sharp it is.
Well, see it and believe it. With 120 Hz refresh rate, everything you do looks crisp and clear.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa! Mom, look at this one. Oh, honey, be careful with that.
Excuse me, guys.
Duty calls.
Hey there. You looking for something new?
Yeah, it's time for an upgrade. I've heard some great things about the S25.
It's a whole new era. A true AI companion, unparalleled performance, and now more durable than ever.
More durable? Well, with everything I'm juggling, that sounds pretty good.
I can see you've got your hands full. S25 Ultra is built with Corning Gorilla Armor 2. It's got Galaxy's toughest ever cover material with an anti-reflective layer.
Perfect. I wish my last phone had that. It's lighter than I expected.
The S25 is built with titanium for outstanding durability while keeping that sleek, modern look that the S series is known for.
That's a huge weight off my shoulders. Fast and durable are kind of non-negotiable in our house.
Well, then the S25 Ultra has you covered.
Thanks for your help.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Thanks for joining the action. As you can see, S25 Ultra combines our most advanced performance ever with our toughest design yet. And packed with unstoppable power, it's built to handle everything life brings, from your toughest daily tasks to your biggest gaming battles. So, whatever you're up against, you've always got what it takes. If you're curious, stop by one of our stores to try it out for yourself. And I'll see you in the next guided demo.